Hey guys, and welcome. Trying something different here. This is called Flip Classroom. I'm going to be videotaping myself using these cool backgrounds and stuff, and a bunch of different other techniques as well. With Flip Classroom, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cut down on that lecture time, maybe watching it back in the classrooms, or right when you come into the gym. You'll be watching a quick video, and then we'll get you started. Hopefully this will cut down on that lecture time, giving you guys more time to participate in the activities. Okay? Today is day one of ice skating. Lots of procedures that we're going to have to go over, and we'll do that real quick and hopefully get you over to the rink as quickly as possible so you do have some time to skate. Okay? Day one of ice skating. First thing that we need to talk about is clothing. You need to wear your hats and gloves and wear a jacket over to the ice skating rink, okay? That is a must. If you are wearing a sweatshirt when we get over to the ice skating rink, you can take that coat off, and as long as you're wearing that sweatshirt, you're good. But when you get on the ice, hats and gloves, okay? Period. Otherwise, you don't skate. You'll have to make up that time another time, all right? The second thing, when we go outside and we are running to the rink, you must stay on the sidewalks, okay? And then you're going to cross over on the crosswalks. Make sure you guys do that. And then we're going to go over by the high school where the buses pick up. Make sure you stay on the actual sidewalk, okay, all the way, and then we're going to enter through the back side of the hockey rink. When you get there, you're going to see that there are going to be a bunch of skates set up. Okay, if there's not your size there, you're going to go to the back room. Now, the important part, you're going to have to know what size should you wear because they're a little bit different than your shoe size. So, here's how we're going to do this. You're going to check your shoe size, okay? Make sure you take off your shoe, check that shoe size, and Mr. Prescott wears a 9. So, he's going to want to wear a size smaller skate because they run a little bit bigger. So, I would wear a size 8 skate. Alright, and that should be the same for just about everybody. Now, if you're a person that knows that they have a wide foot, okay, maybe try, if you wear a size 9 shoe, wear a size 9 skate, okay? We'll try to figure it out there. Don't worry, we have skates for everybody. So if you can't find your skate, we'll find it in the back room, okay? Next thing that we need to talk about is when you get over there, after you get your skates on, make sure you help somebody else out first. So, for an example, if you have your own skates and you're coming over there and you're real quick to get your skates on, go and help somebody else that doesn't know how to put them on as quickly as you do, okay? Make sure, this is a key, watch this. Look at this skate right here. It is loosened up all the way, okay? Don't try to slam your foot into an ice skate that's tied up, okay? It's just not necessary. Take the time. Don't rush. It's not a rush to get out on the rink. Okay? Take your time, loosen it up all the way, just like this. Okay? Then start from the bottom and pull to make them tight. Once your foot is in there, make sure you get them tight. Otherwise, we don't want to see any ankle biters. Okay? Tie it all the way up, or make it tight all the way up to the top, and make sure you tie it correctly. Okay? Safety rules, please. When we get out on the ice, don't be pushing people down. Don't be hanging on people because then we're just going to make them, we're going to cause them to crash or fall over or run into the boards. Please don't do that, okay? This is one of those dangerous things that we do, okay? Now, after we get on the ice, after a few days, we're going to have some skills that we need to. Fourth graders, basically, you just have to show Mr. Prescott or Mr. Yost that you can tie your skates correctly. Make sure that they're tied tight, okay? And then just get out in the ice and free skate. Show us that you can skate. Fifth and sixth, you guys have some skills that you are going to have to show to us to earn an O, an S, or an N, okay? Number one skill would be obviously tying your skates just like the fourth grade. Number two would be that you have to show us a hockey stop. And we'll show you in a quick video in just a second. Or boom, maybe it's right here. Okay? Here you see Jade. She's going to show us quickly how to hockey stop on the right side and the left side. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, now we move on to the third skill. The third skill is basically learning how to cross over. Now you're going to go to the middle of the ice and do this around the yellow circle. The yellow circle, boom! We have Jade here. She's going to do 2 laps doing crossovers. Watch her go. Pretty neat. She takes one foot, crosses it over the other one, cross, 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 cross. She stops halfway through, then she goes back the other way. Pretty cool. Now, keep in mind, Jade's a really good skater. Yours don't have to be as perfect like this, neither are for the hockey stop or the crossovers. Just show us that you understand what you're doing and at least try to attempt to do these things. Now, the last skill is skating backwards. Okay, here's a picture of Jade. She's skating backwards. What she's doing is she's making moon shapes. Okay, we call these lemons. Backwards lemons. Okay, take a look. Here it is. Awesome. Nice job, Jade. Now, if you pass those 3 skills, we're going to let you go down to the far end of the ice and we're going to have some games, some activities for you. One is called Ringette. Here's a quick video of what Ringette looks like.
And the Gleaners exclusive natural flow feeding for increased performance and grain quality. See you again the other day at Isaac's Implementation in Minnesota, Minnesota. Over. Visit on the way.
Pretty cool. Alright, they start off with their sticks upside down, they're passing the ringette back and forth, and then you will eventually see that there's some goals on each end. Okay? Those are the things that we're going to be doing during the ice skating unit. Okay? The objectives are as follows.